I have 5 different sizes of storage pockets and none of them fits my dies. My dice are here. It's time to play! Oh, no. First organizing, then playing. Who are you exactly? Who is she? I, dear, am your crafty godmother. My what? Your crafty godmother. Is that a paper wand? Okay. I'll get my storage pockets. Nope. I can't believe this. None of them fits my dice. Oh, don't worry, dear. You can make your own. Really? Remember that laminator you got last year? The one you used once? Yeah. Turn it on, dear. Now, dear, take out 2 laminate sheets. Put one aside and cut the other one to the size you want your pocket to be. Okay, so my storage bin is roughly 7.5 inches wide, so I'm gonna cut my sheets to 6.5 by 11 inches, more or less. Excuse me, now what? Now, dear, you need to insert the cut laminate sheet inside the other one that you put aside earlier. But remember, you need to flip the cutout sheet so that the glue faces outwards, as that will get activated by the heat of the laminating machine. Alright, fairy godmother, I will carefully place my cutout laminate sheets inside the other one and create my sandwich. Go on then, run them through. Crafty godmother, this doesn't look like a pocket. But of course, dear, you need to get your trimmer and cut the top off. It's gonna be like magic. Wickety, wackety, blue. That's not even a real spell. Sorry. Okay, so at this point I need to cut off the excess plastic from the sides and the bottom of the pocket and round the corners with my corner chomper. And then I can slide my dice in the pockets to see how it works. Thank you, crafty godmother. This and my genius hack for stamp storage are such game changers. Wait, you guys don't know about my genius hack? Then you definitely should check out this video right here, as I'm solving the biggest issue with stamp storage. Click, click.